Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest stock insights and updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most interesting companies in the tech world, Supermicro Incorporated, or SMCI. Supermicro is absolutely killing it in the high-performance computing and IT infrastructure space, especially with all the demand for cloud computing, AI, and data centers. It's one of those companies that might not always be in the spotlight, but it's quietly making huge strides in the tech industry. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to know more about the next big thing in tech, right? In this video, we'll break down everything from SMCI's recent financial performance to its journey through the wild ride of 2024. We'll also talk about the company's future prospects, innovations in AI, and how they're handling some major controversies. So stick around because we've got a lot to cover. And of course, if you're enjoying the content, smash that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. All right, let's get into it. So first things first, let's talk about how Supermicro is doing financially. As of today, the stock is sitting at $31.12, with analysts setting a target price of $34.5. That gives the stock about a 10.8% upside from its current price. Not too shabby, right? Now, even though SMCI has had a bit of a rough patch recently, it's still showing some solid financials. The stock is down about 74.68% from its 52-week high. So yeah, it's been a bumpy ride. But let's take a closer look at the numbers that matter. Return on investment, 16.68%. Not bad at all. Gross margin, 14.33%. Healthy margins mean good business. Profit margin, 8.09%. Another solid indicator that SMCI is doing things right. But here's the real kicker. Earnings per share growth has been huge. Year to date, SMCI's EPS is up by 28.16%, and over the trailing 12 months, it's up a massive 78.09%. And if you're a fan of big numbers, get this. Sales have increased by a staggering 109.77% year over year. Yes, you read that right, 109%. All these numbers paint a picture of a company that's clearly on the rise, even with the occasional setback. So despite some volatility, SMCI's future is looking pretty bright, wouldn't you say? Okay, so let's talk about the drama. No company gets through the tech world unscathed, and Supermicro had its fair share of challenges. Last year was definitely a roller coaster for the company. One of the major issues came when Hindenburg Research, the short seller, accused SMCI of accounting irregularities. That definitely shook investor confidence and caused a lot of uncertainty. But wait, it gets juicier. On top of that, Supermicro's management missed their deadline to file their financial results, which put them in danger of being delisted from NASDAQ. As if that wasn't enough, their former auditor, Ernst & Young, jumped ship in October, citing concerns about the company's integrity and ethical values. Talk about a red flag, right? But here's the twist. Despite all this controversy, Supermicro didn't fold. They conducted an internal investigation and found no evidence of fraud. In fact, they've already moved on and are now working with a new auditor, BDO, to get their financials filed by the February 25th deadline. So, while 2024 has been rocky, SMCI is pushing through and proving they've got what it takes to weather the storm. Now, let's talk numbers again, because at the end of the day, the numbers tell the story. Supermicro's first quarter 2025 results were some of the best they've ever had. The company reported a 181% year-over-year revenue increase thanks to the massive surge in demand for AI technologies. This is huge because AI is a major driver for the tech industry right now, and Supermicro is perfectly positioned to capitalize on it. In fact, their preliminary net revenue for first quarter is projected to be between $5.9 billion and $6 billion, and their sales forecast for second quarter is in the range of $5.5 to $6.1 billion. Not too shabby for a company that was just fighting off controversies a few months ago. And here's more good news. Their margins have improved too. Their non-GAAP gross margin hit 13.3% and their operating margin jumped to 9.9%. So it's clear that not only is revenue growing, but their overall operations are becoming more efficient, which is a strong sign for long-term profitability. But what about the future? Well, Supermicro isn't just sitting around waiting for things to smooth out. They're actively innovating and pushing the boundaries of technology. For example, at the National Retail Federation's annual show, Supermicrocomputer teamed up with NVIDIA to showcase some really cool AI solutions for the retail industry. These innovations help retailers use AI for everything from personalized shopping experiences to automating logistics and even preventing shrinkage. Yeah, you heard that right. AI-powered systems that can help detect checkout issues and stop losses. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Supermicrocomputer isn't just about retail, though. They're also going big in the high-performance computing space with their new X14 servers, which are designed for demanding workloads like AI and massive GPU deployments. These servers are built to handle the future of tech, AI training, cloud gaming, you name it. They've got up to 128 performance cores and can support up to 10 PCIe GPU cards. It's like a supercomputer in a box. And it doesn't stop there. Supermicrocomputer is gearing up for massive global expansion. They've opened new production facilities, including a huge campus in Malaysia, to ramp up manufacturing capacity. As AI demand continues to grow, these new facilities will help them scale operations and continue delivering top-notch products. With their focus on expanding their global footprint and advancing AI and HPC technologies, Supermicrocomputer is definitely a company to watch in the coming years. Despite the bumps in the road, they're clearly making moves to ensure they stay ahead of the competition. So, there you have it. Despite facing some serious hurdles in 2024, Supermicrocomputer is proving its resilience. With incredible growth in revenue, impressive innovations in AI, and an eye on global expansion, SMCI is definitely one of the companies to keep an eye on. What do you think? Can Supermicrocomputer overcome its controversies and continue to lead in the tech world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Stocks Telegraph. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.